Okay, so before we go any further here with Heroku, let's get started by installing some Django packages. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do sudo pip3 and I'm going to install a package called Gunicorn. And Gunicorn is the package that will be used to actually run the application on the server. The next thing we have is PSYCOPG2, and this will allow us to connect to a PostgreSQL database. So instead of using MySQL or SQLite for this, we'll be using a Postgres database. And the reason for this is that the Postgres is very easy to set up on Heroku. They really encourage it. We can get it up and running with a single command. So after that, I'm just going to do a pip3 freeze -- local. I'm going to redirect that into the requirements.txt. So now if I open up my requirements, I have those packages referenced in the requirements.txt file.